The OpenRock Link 20 brings something unique to the market. The first 2-in-1 open-ear earbuds with detachable magnetic boom microphone that transforms these from workout earbuds to professional headset instantly. Priced at $150, they target remote workers and active professionals who need versatile audio gear. But does this 2-in-1 design actually work? Let's find out. But if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more latest tech reviews and updates. The Link 20 comes in a vibrant orange box with everything well organized inside. You'll get the earbuds in their charging case, the detachable boom mic, a USB-C cable, and a user manual. I like the case itself. It's more compact than most earbud cases that I've tested. My first impressions? This thing feels solid. The all-black matte finish gives it a premium look and resists fingerprints well. Each earbud weighs just 9 grams and comes with flexible silicone ear hooks, reinforced by titanium wire. The magnetic boom mic feels substantial and snaps into place with a satisfying click, thanks to N54 grade magnets. There's also a dedicated magnetic slot to keep it secure, making it easy to swap out when needed. Overall, the build quality is impressive. The open-ear design means these rest against your ear, rather than sealing inside your canal. This provides situational awareness and eliminates ear canal fatigue during long wear sessions. The ear hooks feature a 6.9-degree ergonomic tilt and stayed secure during workouts and jogging. Build quality is impressive with IPX7 water resistance on the earbuds and IP55 on the boom mic. Physical buttons on each earbud are programmable through the app and more reliable than touch controls. The magnetic mic system is the standout feature, rated for over 10,000 attachment cycles and works with either left or right earbud. Overall, comfort is excellent for all-day wear. I wore these for multiple 8-hour workdays with only minor earlobe discomfort after 5 to 6 hours, which is far superior to traditional in-ear designs for extended use. The Link 20 uses 15 by 10 mm rectangular drivers with 30 milliwatts of power, delivering balanced sound across open-ear earbuds. The sound quality is great, but don't expect the heavy bass you'd get from in-ear earbuds. The mid-range comes through clear, highs are detailed, and the soundstage feels spacious and natural. Listen to this sound for your reference. If you want more customization, the companion app provides EQ presets including music mode, beast mode, vocal mode, and a custom 7-band EQ. I typically stick with music mode for everyday listening, but one thing that bugs me is when you attach the boom mic. It automatically switches to vocal mode with no way to override it, and the sound quality takes a noticeable hit in the bass department. This is where the Link 20 justifies its price. The 5-microphone array with AI noise cancellation delivers exceptional call quality. Without the boom mic, calls are already very good. But attach that boom mic and it's transformative. Your voice becomes crisp, natural, and present even in noisy environments. Now, let's test the microphone. I'm here in my balcony. Down in my building, you see there's a lot of cars and wind as well because I'm on 19th floor.
Alright guys, so this is the microphone test of OpenRock Link 20. So guys, I'm here in the balcony and there are so many cars down in my building. I'm on 19th floor and there are some winds as well. So this is without the boom mic. So let's try sound check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now let's put the boom mic and now let's see what's the difference. Alright? Now let me touch it. Alright. So this is the vocal mode and the boom mic is already attached on this OpenRock Link 20. So let's check. 1, 2, 3. Sound check. Test mic. 1, 2, 3. Alright. So guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below.
So in my experience during calls, the callers reported crystal clear audio with minimal background noise. For remote workers spending hours on calls, this mic system is game-changing. It gives you professional headset quality in earbuds that double as everyday listening devices. As for battery life, it's really impressive. 13 hours of playback or 9 hours of talk time per charge, plus 39 additional hours from the case for 52 hours total. I've consistently gotten through full workdays without needing to recharge. It also has Bluetooth 6.0, which gives you solid connectivity up to 30 meters and lets you connect to devices at the same time. The OpenRock app is straightforward and functional. You get battery indicators, firmware updates, EQ controls, and button customization. Each button supports single, double, triple, quadruple, and long press actions. Additional features include spatial sound, volume limiters, and sound balance adjustment. The app is pretty basic compared to what premium brands offer, but there's one thing I really like. It provides everything you needed without unnecessary complexity. Now, here is my final verdict. Is the OpenRock Link 20 worth buying? If you're a remote worker, content creator, or anyone spending significant time on calls while wanting quality earbuds for exercise, absolutely yes. That detachable boom mic isn't a gimmick. It's genuinely useful. Priced at $150 retail, they're competitively positioned. At that price point, you're getting professional-grade call quality, versatile 2-in-1 design, 52 hours of total battery life, a comfortable all-day fit, and solid overall performance that often beats the competition. But with today's Black Friday sale, you can grab them for 15% off using my code. I'll drop the purchase link in the description below. That's it for today's OpenRock Link 20 review. What do you think about these 2-in-1 open-ear earbuds? Let me know in the comments below. If this review helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out!